Tom, what can you tell us?
Tom, good morning. Well, we're going to kick off in negative territory this morning by a decent margin, actually. The futures are telling us we'll be down by a little over 0.8%. So that's a reflection of a generally downbeat tone where Northern Hemisphere markets were concerned last night. In the case of the United States, the primary driver of prices moving lower where stocks are concerned was the release of the FOMC minutes. So these are the minutes that detail the discussion when the US Federal Reserve met last to talk about interest rates. And it's important to note the context here. They were coming off the back of some hot inflation numbers. There was some discussion about that, and as a result, a more biting tone, I suppose, in relation to not cutting interest rates anytime soon, the need to see more data, a narrative that we're familiar with. But the markets were blanching at that, and we saw the S&P 500, for example, down by around 0.4%. Not an aggressive move, but it was largely flat up until the point where the minutes came out. But that's all a sideshow, Tom, compared to the main event, which has just come to pass after the market closed, because we've seen the release of Nvidia's earnings for the last quarter. There were extraordinary expectations on this stock, and importantly, they have bettered in terms of the performance of the last quarter, and more significantly, they have bettered expectations in terms of the outlook. So this is key because not only around the fortunes for this organisation, but also in terms of the optics around AI, computer chips, capex spending on the context of larger US corporates, all intertwined within Nvidia's numbers. They've also announced a stock split. So they've announced a 10-for-1 stock split. So you've got an orange. The orange doesn't change, but it just gets chopped up into 10 pieces where the share price is concerned. That was seen as an important bridge to bringing in retail investors. So all in all, this is a very good earnings number. The stock was up by as much as 5% in after hours trade. It pulled back to be just a little bit higher as we speak now. It's up by around 3%. But this is an important outcome, and you'll see a lot of headlines around this in the next day where financial periodicals are concerned.
Yeah, chip making. It's going well, isn't it, Tom? Thank you.